In our daily lives, analyzing medical reports can be challenging. We often have to visit a doctor just to understand our reports. But with my AI-powered application, you can instantly analyze medical images, detect cancers, tumors, and other conditions, and receive immediate suggestions from certified doctors. No more waiting, just quick, accurate insights at your fingertips. Now, let's take a look at how it works. Welcome to the homepage. Here, you'll find various medical imaging options, including CT scans, MRI scans, ultrasound imaging, and PET and SPECT scans, along with a basic understanding of each. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see our AI-powered solutions: automated image segmentation, real-time imaging enhancement, and predictive analysis. Plus, you can explore expert insights from certified doctors. Now, let's scroll back up. Here's the option to upload your MRI scan and instantly get an AI-powered analysis. Now, let's see how it works. Simply upload a JPG or PNG file of your MRI scan and start the analysis. Once processed, you'll be redirected to the results page. On the left, you'll see your uploaded image, and on the right, the detailed report generated by our AI model. The AI provides a probability score for tumor detection and breaks down the chances of different tumor types. Plus, you can easily download your report for future reference. This is a demo analysis showcasing the capabilities of our AI model. Now, let's look at some of our future goals. In the coming updates, we aim to expand our AI-powered analysis to cover various types of medical imaging, including X-rays, advanced CT scan analysis, and enhanced MRI diagnostics, which is already available. Our goal is to make medical imaging analysis more accessible and accurate for everyone.